You, what's going on, everybody? I know it's been a minute. I ain't posted in a while, but as you can see, the GMT 800 is gone. The Ranger, it's over there. Still got the Ranger, still got the GMC Denali, still got the OBS, but the GMT 800, it's gone. I think the boy was from Michigan, I want to say. So that truck's gone up north. It's gone. But enough about that thing. So I changed the exhaust setup on this truck here. As you guys know, I did a muffler delete, and then I hollowed out the third cat. On these trucks, it does have a third cat after the two by the exhaust manifolds. The tip that I had on there, it was angled kind of like towards the ground. And I took this to the mountains, and you could hear like a lot of drones. So what I did is I went to AutoZone. I got me a 2.5, I think it was a 45-inch bend, and put on here. And then I used the tip that I did have on there. This isn't a double wall, it's just single wall, and I had to cut it so it wasn't sticking out so far because I had to like weld it on. But yeah, let me give you guys a little code start. I think it sounds really good for what it is. I do plan on doing like a true dual setup, but right now I was just messing around with the exhaust. But yeah, let me give you guys a code start. And this is a code start. The truck hasn't been moved in about 2 days. But yeah, I think it sounds really good. It's not like crazy or like raspy, or it doesn't have a lot of drone. That's another thing that the truck had when I had the tip like pointed down like towards the ground. Like I'd get a lot of drone on the highway. So I did this exhaust setup, that way it's not like under the cab where it exits. And I did get me a front tag as well. Next plan for this truck is going to be headlights. I want to get the clears, that way I can get rid of that amber in the headlights. Then I want to do some color matching. I'm probably going to color match the fog light housing and then the mirrors. And then I want to do some kind of tail lights. Like these here, turn it off that way you guys can hear me. These here, like on this truck, you would think being a Denali, it would have like LEDs. I know like the high country Chevys, they have LEDs like in the housings on the factory ones. These here are halogen, unfortunately. But I want to do a different setup. If you guys know, will the Chevy high countries fit these trucks? Are they the same? Are they interchangeable? I tried to do some research. I didn't do much. I looked on YouTube to see if there was any videos out there. I couldn't find anything, but if any of you guys know, drop a comment, let me know if you can swap these out with the Chevy, same year model, just LTZ. That way I can have, because I want to do like a factory setup on them. So if I could get the high country LED OEM taillights and put on this truck, that's what I would do. I got the fog light situation. I know in a couple of my videos I was saying the fog lights would cut off and on. It was just a bad fuse. Got me some new fuses in there, and fog lights work like they're supposed to now. But yeah, haven't done much to any of the other trucks. I did get this thing cleaned up. It got a bath, so it's nice and shiny again. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick video on this setup, because in my opinion it does sound pretty good. There's a guy that has a bolt-on Borla S. I've been talking to him. If I can get him down to about 300 for it, I'd probably do it. And it's a full bolt-on kit. You unbolt it from the flex pipe up here, and then it's, you know, fully bolt-on from then on. If I can get it from him for about 300, I'll probably do it. And then I might not do the true dual setup. I don't know yet. Still debating. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the exhaust setup. Like I said, what I did is I got a 45 from AutoZone, as you can probably see there. And my welds, let me tell you, my welds are getting a little bit better. I didn't have any leaks on that one. That was because I could actually get in there and go around and get the full front, back, and both sides of the pipe with the welder without burning myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.